see anything at all. It looks like our friend is gone. What's going on here? There's a bird fight. One bird is attacking the other, and it got to the point where the bird was flying to me for help. There's like a bird chasing the other one, and it flew right into the hut while I was working on it. I've been trying to reassemble the door. Here comes the bird. I don't know if it's designed to draw me away from the hut or if they really are fighting. But it swooped down right at me. Now I see the other one swooping at it. It's weird. Well, as you can see, we're the birds are like circling me. But one is chasing the other one for sure. Anyhow, my son gave me a bracelet. He spent a lot of time working on it, but I needed cordage. So I ended up turning it into cordage for holding the yurt together. So hopefully you don't get mad at me, Nick. But now your bracelet is part of the hut. So I'm trying to make more cordage. This is how bad it is. I'm tying stuff together to tie the other part together so that we can have the door for the yurt again. Sadly, our bird nest is missing the eggs. I don't know what happened to the eggs, but all 4 eggs are gone. There's no traces of it at all. So I don't know if an animal ate it or what. I don't think it hatched, because if it hatched, you would see eggs, you would see shell. There's no sign of it hatching, so either someone took all the eggs or an animal ate it. You can hear the birds here. I don't think they're trying to draw me away. I think they're fighting. Alright, here then is our hut at the end of the day. Camp Freedom 2 here. I probably need to redraw that. It's faded. But I have installed the door. So we have restored the door to the hut. Got a nice working door again. Try to fix this up again if I can come back. I don't know what was up with those 2 birds. It didn't look like the birds that were in the nest, but they were swooping at me. One was. Anyhow, we have reassembled the door. Of course, we're still missing our clothesline, which I don't know if we're going to put up or we'll put something else up. And I think we're done for the night. Until next time, everybody, have a great day.